Hi everyone, welcome to today's video and welcome to today's vlog. I'm so excited. I'm finally gonna get my hair done. I'm going to Apples and Oranges to get my hair treated. I have been not nice to my head of hair. I've not been nice to it at all, so I have to go and correct that today. I'm gonna go to Apples and Oranges today to get a really nice hair treatment. I'm not driving today. My car is at the mechanics and my mom has gone out with the other car, so I have to take Uber. So I'm Uber everywhere, everywhere. I have to book my Uber soon because I'm supposed to be at Apples and Oranges between 11 and 12, and it's currently 11:03. So I need to dress up and go. I'm back again with my hairstylist. How are you doing?
Good morning, I'm good.
That's great. So what are we doing with my hair today?
So I'm going to treat the hair
with what?
because the hair is feeling so dry.
It is.
Yeah. So we need to lock in moisture into it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just moisture, just a moisture treatment?
Yeah, moisture treatment.
Okay.
Yeah. I got some twists done into my hair, which I really love. I'm gonna start getting ready for tonight. I am going to the funky brunch with Edwin, and then afterwards I am going on a date. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I'm going on a date with a guy. So I need to look pretty for the funky brunch and for the date because I want to show the nigga what he's worth, what I'm all about. So I want a really pretty soft look. I don't want anything too much, so I'm gonna do like maybe just simple glowy skin, a gold eye, and like a pink nude lip, that kind of thing. I don't want to do any color because I've been doing color for the past 2 days. Yesterday I did red, the day before I did like red, orange, and I did like a, I don't know, not fiery, but like a blue, excuse me, a turquoise blue. But today I just want to keep it simple. I just want to keep it cute. I'm gonna put together a beat in a little bit because I'm supposed to meet Edwin for 6:30 and it is 5:10, so I gotta put my shit. just got to the funky brunch, and I'm with Eddie.
Hey, what's up?
It is Friday and I'm annoyed because it's raining. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound of the rain, but it's raining and I have an errand to run. I have a really important errand to run that I have to run, but I absolutely do not like going out in the rain. I didn't leave the house earlier because I was like, oh, the rain is gonna get better, but now it's gotten worse. Also, I'm supposed to be playlisting at Danfo tonight, and Danfo is a rooftop lounge, so this is worrying me. This is really worrying me because I created a playlist that I want to dance to, and I'm really going out to dance tonight. And A and Bigfoot are supposed to be performing today, so I'm just like, I need me some dancing. I need me to be drinking, getting turned, and dancing. And now this rain has come. See, this is why I hate the rain. I hate the rain. I don't know. So I'm soon gonna leave. I just have to get dressed. I've been in bed. I've showered and everything, but I've been in bed for a bit. I'm just going to wear a pair of jeans and then head out. It's annoying how the errand is important, but I need to run it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's really coming down outside. I'm reconsidering if I should go. I'm really reconsidering it. But I have to go and run this errand. I have to go and drop off this work for this client of mine. So we're at Danfo right now. I know this is such a huge jump from the last clip. I completely forgot to record. Like, I've been because she's a terrible vlogger. No, I'm not. I've just been occupied by other things. Anyway, my peoples are here. Chidera is here taking a selfie. Coco is here, and I'm here. All of them. See all of them. See all of them. Bigfoot is here. Why? Where is A? A is not here yet. Oh, this is the wonderful Ade, who gives me the opportunity to play music here all the time. Thank you so much, Ade. Thank you so much. Ever come down? Hey, hey. You might not ever come down. Let me get down. You might never ever come down. It took too long to get this high off the ground. Don't run, just stay a while. You might never ever come down. It took too long to get this high off the ground. Don't run, just stay a while. Hey. We are on our way to Abeokuta right now for a family function.
Tired, I don't want to sleep, but we're going to Abeokuta. So, yeah.
We just want to sleep. That's all we want to do. Gotten to the church in Abeokuta. We are at Alleluia Christian Chapel, Abeokuta, which is where we are doing the first half of why we're in Abeokuta. Basically, we're in Abeokuta because my father's adoptive dad died. So we're here for all the things that come with a Yoruba man dying, which includes party and all those sorts of things. I'm tired because all I want to do is sleep. Again, last night at Danfo was a lot. It was a lot. So I'm just tired. I wish I could sleep, but I can't because, you know, I'm here for a family thing. How you feeling, bro?
I'm alright. Slept and woke up on the way. Abeokuta looks nice. Not bad. Abeokuta looks nice. Looks like a stress-free place, but I'm not moving here anytime soon.
Owambe. Well, I have been out of the Owambe for quite some time because my phone died and I can't sit down there doing nothing. So I came to the car to come and charge my phone. And my brother has now joined me.
With a can of Heineken.
Funny enough, I'm not drinking Heineken or alcohol today because yesterday was a very interesting night for me. I wanted to drink because I was just in the mood to drink. But one of my friends got very, very, very drunk, and we had to spend some time taking care of her. And with all that stress that we went through, going through that, and then today I'm so tired. I'm literally running on 2 hours of sleep. They just brought a father for us. We're going. Well, we are about to leave.
What?
I think we're getting ready to leave, right? We're getting ready to leave. So
Hey guys, what's up? It is Sunday. After yesterday's Olambe, I just came home to sleep. I was so exhausted, so tired. I am currently in the house of Bigfoot. He's right there in that corner in the dark, and Ejiro is there. I am working with them on releasing their project to the public, which I'm so super stupid excited about. So that's what we're doing here. We're here to discuss, make decisions. The event is going to be happening on the 7th. I can't say any. We haven't figured out everything else, but like most of the stuff is down. And I'm super stupid excited for it. So I don't know if I told you guys in my last clip that I was going on a date. Here I am going on a date. And the only reason why I'm mentioning this, not because like I'm trying to tell you guys about my love life, but it's just like I'm currently going on a date with somebody that I never thought would like be like anything would happen between us. Just letting you guys know that 2019 is the year of me, you know, exploring and dating different people. Take a chance, yo. 2019 is all about taking chances and just doing interesting things. I'm back at home. I'm tired. Had a really good time on my dates tonight. We had lunch at Tai Tai, an early lunch at Tai Tai. Then we went to go and watch Dark Phoenix, the X-Men movie, which is not that great, by the way. Unfortunately, I'm so sad it's not great. And then we went to La Taverna for some sangria. And I had a good time. I had a really good time tonight. It's really funny how at the beginning of 2019, I was telling myself that this is the year of me going with the fucking flow. And I am going with the flow. And I have found myself in different situations, taking advantage of different opportunities and just doing different things every single day. It's interesting because like I didn't expect this year to turn out like this. Last year, with everything that happened last year and the things that are happening this year, honest to God, thought that I'd be married by now or kind of close to marriage. I've realized that God just works in very interesting and mysterious ways, and you might have plans in your head, but those plans don't really like pan out to what you think they are. And I'm forever grateful for the opportunities and the ways I can grow and be a better person. I'm going through the stages of my life and I'm just going with the flow, developing myself along the way and just enjoying myself. Hi guys, good night. I'm too